What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mini Drum Mondays. Today we are actually working on the drum shells again, and there's a couple steps that we are going to be working with, but the main thing is how are we going to actually bend these things into shape after they've been in boiling water. Let's check it out. Mini drums. Frick. Oh. Alright, so you just saw me fail a whole bunch of times. Now I tried another method where I would tie it together, and that worked pretty good. Here's another one that I had to cut down to size. It was really frayed though. I probably shouldn't have done that. That's why I said that. But then I spent literally probably an hour filming this, trying to get this strap to hold it down, and I used a dolly for the the frame to hold it together, and I worked so hard in this, and I thought it was going to be perfect, but then I turned off the camera. Ugh, this did not work at all. I'm actually really bummed. Dang it, this was a super good idea, and it started to work, but it could not stay. Ugh, dang it. It's literally the worst. I was trying so hard to get that to work. And it broke. Yep, totally broke. Right there. Alright, back to the drawing board. So there you have it. That's me pretty frustrated, trying to redo all the work I just did. I took all my stuff apart and then I got to boiling those pieces. Actually, this was probably the best thing that could have happened to me, because once I boiled these things, the process got way faster, way easier. Alright, so here's what we have here. You already saw me put these things into this shape, and I've actually boiled these in water for about 30 minutes. And what I'm going to do is, they're actually looking a little bit oblong right now, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these ties. I'm going to see if I can re-bend these to get them into a smaller shape, because now that they're soaking, I think they're going to be more pliable. Oh yeah, they're drying pretty quickly, so this is a very fast process. There we go, much smaller, and then we might have to repeat this process again so that we can continue getting it smaller and smaller. This is really close to the size that I needed. I'm going to go ahead and tie this rope around it to get it to hold. Here we go. It's pretty good shape. Check that out. Not bad at all. I'm liking it. Let's do the other one. There we go. Well, this one kind of ended up getting in the form of like a teardrop shape. Oh, they're so much more pliable after they've been boiling in water. They really cool off pretty quick, so this part needs to happen really fast. Oh, this is considerably better than the last attempt. Is it not? Alright. Not bad. They work so much better after they've been boiling in water. So hopefully that'll dry and I can get a little bit closer to my goal of making some smaller rings here. I'm really liking this process. I think it's going to work. Kind of difficult, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's be back in a little bit after it dries. Okay, welcome back. It's day 2 of the boiling of the drum shells. Let's see how they're turning out. Hopefully we can get them to bend even smaller. I use the lids to hold them down because they typically are floating through this process. I'm actually going to use some clamps for these so that they can stay put. I really like that. That's not bad. The only problem right now is that it's a little bit of a teardrop shape. I need this to bend in a little more to make it a circle. So let me go ahead and tie this around it. Okay. I think that's going to work for that one. It's about as good as I can get it. Let's see if I can get it any better on the next one. Okay. This one's going to move fast too. I'm really happy with this one, the way that this one is bending. I can get this one much smaller. I really need to try to make a snare drum out of these, and I really need them to get down to about 3 or 4 inches. There we go. How about that? That is considerably smaller. Yes! That is pretty amazing. I'm really excited about that, actually. Oh, it's freaking sweet. Okay, I gotta get this one tied. Awesome. Oh my gosh. I'm really impressed with this. All right. So we'll check on these probably in about 24 hours. That is looking awesome. Super excited. Can't wait. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Next week, you're gonna actually see me putting glue to these laminates, and hopefully they're gonna work like a real drum. All right, I'm gonna start working on that right now. But if you wanna see the next videos that are coming up, make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, so you get all the notifications for everything coming up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for all those who are joining me. I can't wait to see how this is gonna turn out. We are one step closer to finishing this miniature drum kit. Check out episode 1 or the previous episodes if you haven't seen those yet. Actually, they're gonna probably be right here, okay? So thank you for watching. We'll see you next week on Mini Drum Mondays.